All right, guys, so been delayed a little bit with the Mustang project. Just stuff's come up. We're looking at moving houses, so the garage is a mess, and it's just a lot of stuff. But I was able to pick up, see if you can see it. Got this Ford 9-inch rear end. It's already got a 5 lug in it. Not sure the spline count. The tag says 370 gears. Not sure how accurate it is. We're about to break into it and do some measurements and see if I can use it the way it is, or if we're gonna have to get it narrowed, or what's going on. But here we go. So this is my first time with this rear end, but I've seen people pull these out and install them while in the car, on the lift, on the ground, and I knew they were heavy, you know. But I have a new respect for them, that's for sure. All right, let's try again.
Okay.
Hooray! More stuff on the driveway. Not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be easier than it is. I'm just gonna let it fall. I wasn't sure if I was gonna use this gear set or the carrier anyway, so if it gets damaged, it gets damaged, I guess. Oh my goodness. What a butt whipping. Jeez. Look at this. There's some grit in there, but I don't think it's metal. It's not sparkly. All right, so here you can kind of see down in there how nasty it looks. But after my extensive 25-second Google search, it looks like this is only about, I think it was, let me see, right under 53 inches from flange to flange. So we should be under a half-inch sticking out on either side, which now obviously with these wheels and tires, but there's a little bit of room. So we may I may just run it how it is and burn some new spring perches onto it and see what happens. Let it rip. Yeah, so I guess I'll get it cleaned up and we'll get a good hard measurement and stuff when I'm done and go from there. Cool. We'll see you guys next time.